Unlock simplicity with 3M Dual Lock Reclosable Fasteners. 3M breakthrough fastener technology provides powerful solutions for a wide variety of design challenges, providing better access, easier mounting, and display solutions that create clean lines, secure connections with no sagging. And when it's time for a new look, no problem. 3M Dual Lock Fastener installation is fast and easy with no tools needed. And with 5 times the tensile strength of regular hook and loop systems, it holds up more weight with less material. 3M Dual Lock Fasteners are made for tough environments, holding up in hot, cold, wet, or damp conditions. It's available in clear or black, with a variety of sizes and profiles for any design challenge. No matter what the application or material, when you need a strong, easy-to-use fastener, unlock the simplicity of 3M Dual Lock Reclosable Fasteners.